How's it going, everyone? Transferring some 3-frame nucs over to bigger hives, get them going out here in our teaching yard. Everything is looking good. Storm's rolling in, so glad we got ahead of that. It's thundering. It's not fun working bees in the rain, that's for sure. It's a little chilly, but they are doing, everything's doing pretty good. Getting boxes, second boxes on them, getting them built up right on target with what we need them for. It's good. Get these girls out of here. Packed hive, looking really good. I don't run a lot of medium, so that one's a deep and a medium. I need to get it switched over so I can get it out of this equipment and into ours, so I'll do that soon. Added second boxes onto the app of May. Still keeping them a little bit not as full yet, just to watch for the little robbing and stuff. We can get some robbing going on. Right now his nectar is trickling in a little bit, but not very much, and so they're building up. So, but they are doing good. Can't wait to get the season going, get people out here and get classes going. It's really fun. We hold our kids with bees out here. We teach people, beekeepers and people that want to just learn and stuff. We've had multiple groups, not just beekeepers, come through here. So it's a pretty interesting way to do things. Need to get some stuff cleaned up. A whole bunch of junk right there, but hey, it's looking good. Pleased with how everything, or most everything, is coming along this season. All right, well, you guys be keeping it real out there. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.